A cool Ruger, you got a cool light. For 100 and whatever bucks, it'll be down in the description below if you want it. Yeah, I'm probably never gonna film another video at night again, so enjoy this nighttime flashlight vid. Typically, I am filming in an outstanding lighting scenario. Not the fucking case today, but we're back at the pit. That's all that matters. Actually, not all that matters. We have a reason for this. The reason for us filming in the dark, you see the sky is still lit to an extent. The sun's down though, the sun is set. So nighttime, she's a-coming. If I flip you around, we got the little bag of tricks, the mom purse. Anyone's wondering why? Because I'm a cross-dresser. No, it's just very, very incognito, inconspicuous. We got some things here. That's a like a China AliExpress sling that I'm gonna check out. We've got our workhorse of the day, Ruger 5.7. I'm gonna put her down on our absorbance bag, which will now be a mat right now. Ammo, some casings, some loaded mags, a mic. I should probably put that on this camera. Oh, this. You'll see I have some furnishings on this 57 now, or 5.7. What do you guys call it a Ruger 5.7? Or you guys call it Ruger 57? I'm just going to call it a 5.7 because it shoots 5.7. It's one of two handguns. It's literally 50%. I would be 50% correct if somebody was shooting this and I said, yo, that's a cool 5.7, I like your 5.7. And if they're like, nah, it's a Ruger 5.7, I'm gonna be like, bruh, it shoots 5.7, suck on it. But the real thing is, look at that, F5 MFG. They hooked it up with this slide release. You'll notice real quick, I'm gonna get into the Olight, which is right, where is it? Oh God, this is awkward, right here. We're gonna unbox that. And we're gonna do some trial runs on it with this. But real quick, take the safety off. This release was so hard to do in my unboxing video. Yeah, baby, now she's normal. Freakly deaky do. Bang. Great stuff. Now let's get into this. I'm not gonna lie, I've opened this thing, I like it. We've got 1500 max lumens. Lumens. How much lume do you have? Yeah. 280 meters of throw. At the pit, we're about 30 meters out at our furthest when we shoot. Honestly, I'm gonna be about 25 meters where we are right now. And those are YouTube meters. Those are made up numbers. I'm supposed to lie about the distances that we shoot. You know, I can shoot 300 blackout, what is it, 800 meters perfectly on the dot every time. I'm just kidding. But check this out. PL Pro Valkyrie Olight. She's a good one. She's a real good one. I like her. Oh, we're gonna flip it up this way. Read me. The PL Pro ships in lockout mode. Before first use, please press and hold both switches at the same time for about 2 seconds until the brightness increases, indicating it has exited lockout mode. Alright. I did it upside down. Here she is. Ready for this? You're not ready for this. On the back, in there, inside of this thing, pop that off. You get a little Allen key, super cute. You get this thing. What the fuck is that? I don't fucking know. Don't fucking try to tell me. A little charger? Beautiful. Now, the negative to the Olight, which, I'll throw these stuff in the background. We have all that. Oh, don't you love new shit? Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe just for your advantage so you see more of these. If you like opening new stuff, I love it. I love it. Oh, so crisp. Nothing's like something when it's new, and then nothing's like something when it's used. Am I right, or am I right? That thing, yeah, it's super bright. So with it being a rechargeable, I'm gonna imagine that, oh, you're not gonna get that first 1500 lume the entire time. Okay. How long does this last? I'll list all the stuff up here, unless you can see it right there. Yeah, high, low. So the first 1.5, 45 minutes. Okay, cool. So 1500 to 600 lumens. Great. Yeah. 1.5 hours, 45 minutes, 280 meters, 130 when it's low. I haven't charged this thing. I don't know where it's going to be at. Light delivers 1500 lumens in high mode. This output will last for about 1 minute and then gradually drops to 600 lumens within 5 meters. Wow. Maximum output brightness varies with the battery level. When the battery level drops to about 40%, the maximum output brightness reaches 600 lumens. When it continues to drop to about 10%, maximum output brightness reaches 300 lumens. So look, okay, look, this isn't gonna be like your Surefires. This isn't gonna be like any of that shit. That's why it's priced accordingly. It's priced at a price point where it's kind of fuckwithable, but not like life depending. This is, I would say, in my opinion, it's a good nightstand gun. So if you're gonna leave this thing on charge before you go to sleep or whatever, when you plug your phone in, plug this into your gun, have your gun wherever you put your gun in your little whatever tactical position is good for you, and bam, that's when you're gonna do your thing. You know what I mean? You're gonna have that there, you get an intruder, yank it right off. Guess what? That's the cool thing about the battery. It's a cool thing about this battery. Clicks right in, guess what? Oh my god, intruder. Wow, it came right off. See what I mean? Yeah, we're gonna see how this looks on the Ruger. It does have a strobe feature. Pulling both. It's got two sides right here. Regular pick rail setup. This will probably fit on the Glock too, I would totally imagine. Sweet. Now let's get that thumbnail. That's what I'm talking about, Olight. Look at you. Look at you. We gotta be quick with this. Boom, light on. Wow, that does light shit up. I think there's an animal back there or something. Mr. Animal, you better move. You're in the danger zone. We got our two little targets right there we're gonna fuck with. Got them up. Get ready for that. I'll do the strobe for you right now. Yeah, you're blinding those enemies. You're blinding that steel, that squirrel, that spider. Good thing I saw that. Wonder if I can shoot the spider. Oh, he does not like that. Spider-Man does not like this. He is climbing onto my vessel. Can you see me? No? Maybe? Maybe. It is getting dark. I don't know why people always film these in the, like, either daytime with these lights. Oh, I know, so you can actually see the fucking video. Or they film inside a house. I get it. Even the scenario I just gave, home defense, you know? I understand that. That's a common scenario where you're gonna be using this stuff. I totally get it. Totally understand that. See, at night, doing some night operations, YouTube night ops. I sound like an airsoft professional when I say stuff like that. I probably shouldn't. Completely derailed from what I was saying, but I'm sure it doesn't even matter. I'm sure what you guys are concerned about are, you know, seeing how this works. Completely derailed from whatever I was just about to say. Doesn't really matter, because we got everything we need right here. Actually, right there. You probably can't even see it turn the safety off. That spider's on the camera right now. On the camera. He's freaking out. He's making a web on there too. Guess what? Where'd that spider go? Thing's freaking out. This thing's nice. The light's good. The output, awesome. It's really far, as you can see. You can see all the way back there. If I strobe it, we got good stuff going on, boys. Let's do one more mag for good flavor and good favor, and then we can end this video. I think you see what you need to see. You got a cool Ruger, you got a cool light. For 100 and whatever bucks, it'll be down in the description below if you want it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably never gonna film another video at night again, so enjoy this nighttime flashlight vid. Also tried the mag release on the opposite side because my thumb doesn't reach it, and I don't want to break grip, you know what I mean? So if I can, instead of breaking grip, just throw it down like that. you know, we're good. Try a left-handed shot too. Alright, boys and girls, night mode is officially in effect. There's apparently bears running around in the woods right now. Like, not here right now, but just on the news. Not a common occurrence in this area. Wow, good lighting. Cool, night mode is in full effect. Campfire story time, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna end the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hit the subscribe button down below if you want more of these videos. If not, sorry you had to waste your time on me. Yeah, I know, I've done it too. But, hope you enjoyed the Olight. If it's something you like, yeah, you know, for home defense, I think I'd leave it at that. This isn't a light I'm going to be taking out with me. But, yeah, I mean, if you're going to be in a scenario where you have to pull something out, I guess we should keep this light on. Going to be in a scenario where you do have to pull out a concealed carry. The lights aren't really my thing with that, but again, better to have at night than, you know, not have it. So, what I would recommend is, this isn't a bad light at all, I'm not knocking it, I just think the rechargeable ones are probably better for shooting at the range, or you're gonna be shooting as a home defense. You know what I mean? Like, say somebody, I look like 70 years old in this lighting. Look at all the wrinkles. Definitely, I look like Red Skull from whatever, Captain America. So that's it. I'm gonna leave you all off here. The video is probably 20 minutes by now, and all we did was fucking talk about a flashlight and shoot the sick 5.7. I love this thing. A lot more things coming. Maybe a trigger, I don't know. Not gonna carry this, but yeah, cool gun. Awesome gun. See you later. Have a good one.